Never before in the history of our planet has there been a greater global demand for clean, green power. Dependable power. Affordable power. Power that doesn't harm the environment. Power that can be relied on 24/7. Power that can be adapted for virtually all applications. That power is available today. Freedom Power hydrogen fuel cells from Altergy Systems. Altergy designs and manufactures the Freedom Power series of fuel cell products from its 35,000 square foot factory in Folsom, California. Altergy's state-of-the-art facility is located in the exclusive and elegant Lake Forest Tech Center, where some of the world's leading, cutting-edge, high-tech companies reside. Altergy's facility contains approximately 65 office spaces and is home to its administrative offices, sales and marketing teams, research and development labs, product and process engineering teams, supply-side management, and production capability. Altergy's state-of-the-art facilities also include a kitchen with lunchrooms, inspection, receiving, and warehousing, as well as 5 conference rooms. Altergy's production area facilitates virtually all facets of production and manufacturing. Unit cell production. Stack assembly and test. Membrane electrode assembly fabrication. Module assembly electronics. Altergy's on-site machine shop. Fuel cell engine assembly. Housing assembly. And integrated systems final assembly. Altergy ships to customers globally who demand reliable, sustainable, clean power. Anytime, anywhere. Altergy, forever changing the way the world gets its power.